Batman. Now you can soar through the air in his all-new vehicle, the Bat with Launch and Attack Batman. Bane has destroyed the roads. Use the Bat to fly over the destruction and stop him. Shoot your missiles. Fire again. Bane escapes and topples the water tower to strike at the Bat. Use your secret weapon to launch Batman across the city. You've got him! The all-new vehicle from The Dark Knight Rises. Take to the sky to your next mission. The Bat with Launch and Attack Batman. Other figures each sold separately.